to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am sharing package number 2, and this is a part of the package that I received from Tmika, who is scrapdaworld here on YouTube. I'm sure many of you know who she is by now. She hosted a Swapper's Delight Happy Mail swap, and this is round 2 because she did do this last year. I was in Shabby Chic group number 1. So I was number 1 in that group. I've already shared the gift that I received from number 2, and now we're at number 3. So I want to just share this packaging with you all. This is like stunning, and it also has DDF on it. Look at that. This is absolutely beautiful. We had to put the number that we were in the group, so that explains the number 3 on there. Here is what her hanging element, the tag on it, that was one of the requirements. Oh my goodness, this is like, wow. Almost don't even want to like open it. Like just this right here is enough. Just look at it and just be like, oh, I love that, you know. This is gorgeous. Wow. Look at this tag, you guys. Okay, so number 3 in our group was Crafting Con Cruz, and that is her Instagram and I believe also her YouTube. I think she's the one that's always saying she's not a man in her videos. She's funny. I hope I'm subscribed to her already because I've actually seen a couple of her videos, but I don't believe I'm following her on Instagram. So yes, this is what I received from her. Look at that beautiful tag, and I love the colors that she chose for this. Thank you so much, Cruz. Look at that. Oh my goodness, beautiful. I love this. Okay. Oh, look at that. The tag, like it's inside the pocket. This doesn't get detached. Goodness, this is going to look so beautiful in my craft room. Wow, I love the little the fan. Those flowers are stunning. Oh, it's a little vellum piece in the back. Wow, that is gorgeous. I believe she made those flowers. If she didn't make them, they're beautiful either way. But I love that. And then this is what the back look like. Just look, even just that by itself looks so pretty. Like it's showing through the vellum. I love that. Thank you. And this is the rest of the packaging. So trying not to rip everything up. Oh my goodness. Wow. I could just sit here and do this all day long. Wow. This says dance forever. Oh my goodness. Look at these embellishments. Like, how am I supposed to use that? That is just so pretty. It's too gorgeous to use, right? I love that. Oh my goodness. Cruz, that is gorgeous. I love making bottle caps. They are so much fun. I love the inking on here. I love the color choices. Gosh, this is beautiful. And then look at the top of that. So much detail went into this. Oh, I'm sorry guys. I hope the glare isn't like messing this up for you all to see. Wait a minute. Let me make sure you can see the first one. Make sure you all can see the first one. And then look at the feathers. That's so pretty. I love that. Look, it's even decorated on the back. Quite ready, but she was brave, and the universe listens to brave. Oh, she was never quite ready, but she was brave, and the universe listens to brave. And that is from Rebecca Ray. I love that. See, just this alone, you could frame that. Thank you. This is beautiful. Look at this. I love this green. Tea, also known as a snuggle in a cup. Yes, ma'am. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I love the layering. And this is why I love shabby so much. Like, the different elements on this are stunning. Like, wow. Oh my goodness, I love that. Look at the top. I love that. This is beautiful. Thank you so much. And with, did I see this one? No, I don't think I saw this. Look at that flower. Oh my, it says, get it, girl. Oh man, I probably shouldn't laugh. I'm about to start coughing my lungs up. Oh my goodness. Look at the little butter. Look at the roses. I love roses. Probably why I like shabby chic so much, right? Can't like shabby chic and not like flowers. That's like a no-no. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. Thank you so much. I appreciate this. I am going to make sure that I look you up on Instagram. I'll send you a personal message so that you know I received my swap. I absolutely love it, Cruz. It is awesome. You did an amazing job. I'm so glad to have met you through this, and I will catch you on your next couple of uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much again, Tmika, for having this swap for us all. Thank you so much again, Cruz. And as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.